Hi, this instruction is how will you be able to add a data on our supporters or information of your supporters in the supporter page of our RA2 website. So what we're gonna do is log into the administration page as the other instruction is on the dashboard. So once you're logged in on the dashboard, click on the supporters list. So once you're on the supporters list, you will see the existing supporters like Roberts Pizzaiali and Vince Kelly. Here they are. So if you want to edit their information, just click the edit page. Okay. So here's the picture and what else? The information from it. The title that you see here. Let's see where she is. Yes, Rebecca Donis. So here's the title, the information of what you see here. So the image, the featured image of Rebecca. So let's say, for example, we will be changing Robert. So go back again the supporters list. So we'll be changing Robert's Visuali. So click edit. Okay, so first we will be adding a new one so that you will know how to add one. So, let's say, for example, this is for this page. So we will be adding description. You can type as many as you want for this description. Let's say, for example, this is my description. So I will be selecting image. Image is the one you see on the left side of the supporters page, the picture of the person. So we'll go back to the admin, set the featured image. Select the image you want. Let's say, for example, it will be hello. So let's say we'll be using the picture of this guy. Yeah, maybe. Sorry. So just check one. Maybe this person on my desktop. So done uploading. So set featured image. Sorry, this is my brother. Thanks, Wayne. So let's say click update. So let's go back to the supporters area. So click on supporters. As you can see now, I've already added the information of my newly added supporters. There's just something wrong with this. I think we forgot to add the paragraph, which is a P sign. So click on the visual. Let's say for here, for example, this is my description. Sorry, for you guys, please use the visual, not the text one. As the visual has a already HTML content to be using. So click apply. Still not, or I think we should be able to put a P here. P signs like a paragraph. You can use, for example, something like this. Okay. So once you see the code, it's already aligned to that. These codes are HTML codes. If you're a programmer, you will know this over here. You will know this. So just another information. You can see it will automatically add the paragraph. So okay, we're done here. So click update. Then check again the supporters list. So great, it's there. So so it's already here. So what we're going to do now is how will we be able to delete this one? So on supporters list, you will also see a menu here. You click the trash bot the menu, and then it's already deleted. If you want to undo, then go to trash. Then you can see here the deleted one. Then if you want to restart, then restart or delete it permanently. For now, we will delete it permanently. So it's done. If you want to modify any supporters list here, just go in, like Robert Speciali. You want to change the image, whatever you want. Just click the remove featured image, then change to another image you want. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.